Hey everybody, it's Yvette, and welcome to my channel. I have received actually 3 boxes today. Well, a couple of them I received yesterday, but yesterday it just wasn't happening. I didn't even get home until, after 8 o'clock, so just wasn't happening. So the first box that I have is the Sephora Play. And so let's get going. So I have 3 of them. I don't want to like keep everybody forever. And Jellybean is so excited, so I don't want to keep him waiting either. You excited, JB? Yep. All right, let's see. Okay, so open the box and here we are. First thing I see is the March 2018 50 Beauty Insider points if I take this into a store and buy something. And if I open it up, I love how they do their artwork. There's always, they always put like so much into it. And what does this say? Festival Beauty Vibe. Oh, what's your festival beauty vibe? Are you going to a festival this year? And then it goes, yes, no, yes, no. And so this is Festival of Beauty for this month. And let's not cheat. Let's get in here and see what's in the box. Okay, and this is our little bag. It says, beauty is my spirit animal. And actually, it usually comes in this little white bag that is, the fabric's like a little bit stiff. It's really soft. It's like, because it got tie-dyed maybe, it's like really, really soft. So let's look inside, see what we got. You guys, what I've been noticing is that, like, we haven't been having perfume very much, and I wonder why. I wonder if, like, people are saying, hey, but, I said that, nope, it's not perfume. I thought I was about to pull out a perfume, but I just find it quite interesting. It seemed like every month we were getting a perfume, and now we really don't. Did we even get one last month? Was it last month or the one before? I don't know. So the first thing that I'm pulling out, is a Buxom Plumpline lip liner, and I love Buxom. They have the lip plumper and the lipstick, but it's very matte, and I mean, personally, is it plumping my lips? I really don't care. I don't care. I like, maybe it wasn't, I don't know. And I know that like the longer I had it, it definitely wasn't doing anything. So I think that's almost got like some sort of a time thing going on there. So I'm having a hard time getting this open. Let me use the scissors. Okay, and so it is a pencil, and it's sort of like that brown color. The color is called Hush Hush, and it is this one right here. So there's lots of different colors, and I'll give this one a go. Let's see, built-in brush for blending and contouring. Okay, so here it is when I take it out. Buxom. It is the right way, right? Yeah, Buxom. And then there's the pencil, and apparently on this side, is it oh, it's a twist. There's like a little brush, and it is soft. Little brush there. And I'm assuming, I mean, I don't think you would need that for the pencil, so maybe that's for when you put your color in. I have some remnants of something here. You know what? It smells like a pencil, like that you would write with in school. It's a little difficult. La di da da, la da. Alright, it's not bad. I go for more like berry shades, but this isn't bad. I don't know. Like I probably would have gone more for, I have to see them. I don't know. Maybe Anonymous Allure. That might be too dark. I'm not sure. But this one isn't bad. It's sort of brownish, but it's not terrible. You know, and whether it actually plumps, I mean, maybe it's just me, but you know, my lips are fine. I understand that like some people feel that they need it, and that's cool beans. But that's, I don't really, you know, I don't really care about that. I'm just, you know, I'd like it to look good and to not taste like anything. Nope. That it smells like a pencil, like a number 2 pencil, really doesn't bother me because I'm used to that. Maybe what I'm smelling is like the wood. Anyways, let's get going. I don't need to spend like 20 minutes on the lipstick thingy there. Okay. Oh, very exciting. This is a Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. And there's like all this stuff about it, which sounds really good. And let's see. And it's a pretty good sample size. Very nice. And it came, this is shade number 14, Neutral Linen. And yeah, very nice. I can't wait to try that. It says that it's Flex Matte Technology, moves with skin for the ultimate comfort and weightless perfecting coverage. In a clinical study, 91% showed matte skin 8 hours after application. Now, that would be something because I have pretty oily skin. I'm probably in that, you know, 9% that doesn't, but that's okay. In a consumer study, 100% agree it's comfortable and does not dry out the skin. 97% agree it doesn't settle into pores, fine lines, or wrinkles. And 94% agree it instantly cancels out oil and shine. And it's available in 35 shades. That's impressive. Very excited to try that. Okay, next thing I've got is Lancome Miel-En-Mousse. I'm probably saying that wrong. And I can't even, oh. Foaming Cleanser Makeup Remover. Okay, so it's little baby. You know, Lancome's not going to be that generous, apparently. But let's see. Ooh, it's like a gel. Oh, okay. So probably if I had some water over here, you'd really see the foaming maybe. But see, it's just a clear gel is all it is to start. And then I don't really smell anything. Okay, it has like a vanilla smell. Yep. And oh, it's starting to like kind of foam up on my hand. All right, so I'll have a very clean hand. I'll have to go wash that off, but very nice. It smells good. We've got like a little, okay, this is odd. I'm assuming that this is, you say we? I'm not sure. I've never really seen O-U-A-I. I just haven't seen that. We, I guess, would be O-U-I, so we-a? I have no idea, dude, but here it is. It's a hair care anti-frizz, which, you know, isn't really a problem for me, but that's okay. And it says it's an anti-frizz hair sheet. And there's one sheet in here. It says, quickly tame frizz and add shine with these one-of-a-kind, travel-friendly smoothing sheets. Works like hair oil, smells like expensive perfume, fits in your wallet. All right, well, somebody at work will be able to try out the anti-frizz hair sheet because I'm really not interested. I don't have frizz, don't like expensive perfume. Somebody else could try that. Okay, next thing, there's like another little tube. Oh, Verb. I like Verb. They have this really great conditioner. Like back just before my nephew was born, my sister-in-law knew that she was having a boy and she invited me to the baby shower. So I was like, sure, I'll come. And I decided, you know, just because, that I was going to color my hair blue because it's a boy. And I mean, I went all out. I bleached my hair completely, like took all the color out. My hair was white. And then I put the blue in, and I mean, I'm talking blue, like this. Pretty much like that. And so I needed like a really deep conditioner for a little bit after that, because my hair is really short, obviously. So it only takes like 2 or 3 months to completely grow out and be gone. But between that time, I definitely needed more conditioning. And Verb has this great deep conditioner. So if you ever need something like that, get Verb. It's really good. So anyway, I digress. This is Verb Ghost Oil. And I absolutely cannot read what it says. Let me see what it says on the sheet here, because it'll at least be a bigger font. Again, a frizz-defying hair oil that delivers essential nutrients to your strands. Okay, well, I'll probably be passing that along too, just because I mean I don't have the frizz. It just seems kind of pointless for me to put this on my hair. But somebody's gonna love it. And I just know it, because Verb is awesome. I highly recommend Verb for their hair care products. Those, I don't know if they do anything else, but I've used them and I love them. And there's one more thing in the bag. Oh, you know what? I think I've actually used this before, and it was really great. This is Murad Invisibler Perfecting Shield with a broad spectrum SPF 30. I'm pretty sure this is what I used. What I did was I took it with me to Hawaii so that I'd have something really great with SPF for my face. And this is very, very easy to apply, and it goes straight in, and it doesn't, I mean, there's like nothing funky about it or whatever. So I just kept it in my bag and kept applying, and it was great. So I would recommend this. I don't know how much it is. I'm going to have to look all that up for you guys, but this was really great product as well. So, and in fact, I still have it in my bathroom, so I think I might go ahead and donate this to someone at work, put it in the little basket so that somebody else can give it a go, because it's really great. I think, you know, everyone should give it a go. All right, so that's everything that's in the bag, and I will be back very soon with my next box. And I think, just looking over, you guys are going to be very excited. Bye.